This time we're going to talk about how you talk to yourself. Imagine what would happen if every time I make a mistake here, which I make plenty of, I would go, "Oh, you are so stupid, you're dumb, you are terrible at this, you need to quit this job." Imagine what would happen if I did that to myself versus what I actually do, which is when I notice I make a mistake, I'm like, guys, come on, next time, let's do it this way. And it's a solution focus, a productive thinking approach rather than, focusing on what's going on negatively. This goes back to kind of the idea of focus that I've talked about. You focus on what you want. So if I make a mistake and I go, "Oh, you're so dumb, you're terrible at this, you need to quit this job," then that is going to create the kind of negative emotions inside of me that are probably going to make me quit this job after a little bit of time because, well, you're watching, right? And I don't want to make a fool out of myself in front of you, even though that just happens because it's live television, right? So what you can do is when you notice that you are getting into that kind of mood where like, "Oh, I'm so, negatively speaking to yourself," then just stop, break the pattern, because this is just a simple pattern like any other that we can break, and think about how you can say to yourself the same thing in a more productive and solution-focused way. So the example that I'm using is very simple here. Instead of saying to myself, "Oh, you're so dumb," I'm saying, "Okay, guys, next time we're gonna do it this way," and I am focused on what next time is gonna happen, which is gonna create the right expectation, which is going to help my unconscious actually deliver that on the next time, okay? What happens if we don't train our unconscious to deliver what we want, then we're not going to get it. And when you talk negatively to yourself, "Oh, I'm so dumb," then what you're doing is a kind of a self-fulfilling prophecy. Your unconscious is getting the wrong kind of information to continue delivering to you. That your unconscious is going, "Oh, so that's what you're thinking. That's what you think of yourself. Okay, I get it. Well, I guess we're dumb." And your unconscious will continue to deliver that to you. So just be aware of what happens with your self-talk and how you're using it, and try to harness that and turn it into something that's productive and forward-looking so you can achieve more with your time.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.